What do you mean by closure? I created my own, took my hours. I believe I got it correct, but what is the closure? Well, in the context of this channel and my conveyances and my communications, what I mean by closure is closure on the grammar technology known as correct sentence structure communication parsing syntax grammar, which was brought to the public by the late David Miller in 1988. It is a mathematical interface on grammar, wherein you can write out a sentence and the facts of the sentence maintain the same value forwards as they do backwards. I will give you an example. For the claimant's knowledge of the facts is with the claim of the correctness with the conveyance by the claimant. For the claimant of the conveyance is with the correctness of the claim with the facts by the claimant's knowledge, period. So as you notice, just like in 1 + 2 = 3, 3 - 2 = 1, the facts maintain the same value forwards as they do backwards. The only thing that's different, like in 1 + 2 = 3, 3 - 2 = 1, the plus and the minus are congruent. It's the same thing with the positionals of correct sentence structure. For, of, with, and by. For is congruent with by, of is congruent with. These 10 parts of speech here. You can see that the positional is the 5, the loadial is the 6, the fact is the 7, the verb is the 2, and also if you choose to use it, a conjunction would be 0. So that's what I mean by closure. In brief, you have to have closure on the mathematical interface on grammar. Now, when you say you created your own closure, I have to guess that you mean you used plain, simple English, meaning you used adverb, verb, adjective, pronoun, fiction, babble to create closure, which is fine if that's what works for you. But what I'm talking about here on this channel is quantum grammar. It's a grammar technology. You can use it with plain English, you can use it with French, you can use it with Spanish, you can use it with Russian, you can use it with whatever you want. But it is a grammar. And it is a mathematical interface. And you're more than welcome to contact me at jasonmatthewg17@gmail.com and apply for a workshop. I've been teaching workshops since February of 2018. Hundreds of people all over the earth. If you're serious about learning the grammar, contact me. We can just talk about it. 10 to 15 minute video consultation doesn't cost you anything except your now space. Outside of that, I have almost 900 videos or even over 900 videos on my YouTube channel, www.youtube.com/JasonMatthewGlass, where you can actually learn the bulk of the grammar technology on my channel. Thousands of hours I've invested to it. It's my gift to my fellow mankind for free. Thousands of hours, all there for you if you want to learn the grammar. Thanks for the comment.